Ms. Spinks, I received your question. You want to factor this four-term polynomial by grouping. And so what's that mean? Well, you want to look at the first pair of terms and factor GCF from the first pair, and do the same thing, factor GCF from the second pair of terms. First pair of terms, you got a 6 and a 9. The biggest factor, common factor there is 3. And then you have an x cubed and x squared. Biggest factor there is the x squared. And so if I take this slowly and I write this as the GCF 3x squared times the other factor x, and then 3x squared times the other factor 3. If you look here, if you take 3x squared, oops, I need to put 2 there, don't I? 2x. Try this again. If you take 3x squared times 2x, that'll give you the 6x cubed. Take the 3x squared times the 3, that's the same as 9x squared. We have the common factor here in the front. Do the same thing for the second pair of terms, except it'll be 5 this time. 5 times 2x, parentheses there are not required, 5 times 3. So the GCF for this pair of term is 5, so I'll make that 5 and a 2x and a 5 and a 3. So now I just factor the common factor here. Try and take this slowly. Factor the 3x squared times going 2x minus 3, then plus 5 times 2x minus 3. So this pair of terms, you have 3x squared in common, so I factor it, leaving the 2x minus 3. Here I factor the common 5, again leaving us 2x minus 3. What's in the parentheses, it's very important that match. Now what we want to do is factor what's in the parentheses. So I'm going to pull it out front, or I'm going to factor the 2x minus 3 that these two terms have in common. These two terms have that in common, so I'm factoring it, and I'll be left with 3x squared plus 5. So I'm left with 3x squared plus 5. So this last part's a little hard to see sometimes, but I'm factoring the common 2x minus 3, and I'm left with 3x squared plus 5. Hope this helps.